Hey, welcome back to Donald Miller's Electrical Services. So, if you have knob and tube, and a lot of old homes in Ardmore have knob and tube, as well as the main line of the Philadelphia suburb area, they're beautiful homes. The problem is when you hire people to work on the homes, you have to vet them a little bit more than normal. If your contractor isn't familiar with knob and tube or how to work with it, how to eliminate it, you're going to run into a lot of problems. 9 times out of 10, they're not going to tell you that they don't know how to work on it. They're just going to go and do whatever they need to do to make the electric work. And I'm going to show you what happens when you hire someone like that. So I am in a decent area of Ardmore. I'm in a 5,000 square foot English tutor. I'm in the garage, above the garage. And this is the kind of stuff that we find. So we pulled these floorboards up, and most of them weren't even secured back down. You can kind of see this here. And we opened this up. Now we did put the ground on it. So we did put a ground nut on it before I made the video. And we put this extension on to keep it code. I'm gonna secure that in here. I found this box with jumpers going over to this cloth knob and tube. Even though it's an armored jacket, it's still knob and tube. It's just not single conductor, okay? When your house was wired with knob and tube, it's not just the single conductors that are within the wall. These armored cables right here, that's what carries it up to the first floor sometimes, okay? And then people ground to it, and they get a false ground. So the outlet truly isn't grounded. It's not offering any real ground protection. The only reason why it's coming up with a ground is because the metal linkage here, okay? But that's not bonded. There's no actual like secure ground, all right? And then you get a squirrel's nest like this. And I guess what this man was figuring was he was bringing the feed in here and then kind of spider webbing out to refeed the rest of the perimeter. Yes and no. What I don't like is how hard those Romex wires are pinched onto that Romex connector. It really shouldn't be pinched that hard. Another problem we have is just the box isn't really done the way it should be. There's multiple problems here. One, the wires aren't secured after the box, so the box should be mounted and secured. And then a staple should be within 1 foot on either side of this box for supporting all the Romex wires. All right. So you have, hold on 1 second. So you have all your armored cable here and here. And then you have your feed in and your feed out. All right. So I have to cut this video short because the garage door is having problems. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.